In 2016, I realized that I was tired of feeling tired. So I started searching for tools and solutions. What I found was that no system is right, but some are helpful. I found a lot of answers that make my life make a lot more sense. I'm learning to see my patterns, and my patterns help me to find my path. Designing and making things that solve problems is part of how I am built. Creating beautiful objects through woodworking satisfies something in me. And so does learning to become a better version of myself and finding clarity. And I want to share the tools and systems that can help you find clarity. There may not be a secret sauce to instantly make your life better, but there is so much wisdom available and so many options to try to help you get to where you want to go.